Hey there! Curious about employee compensation fairness across the United States? Well, in this guide, we'll explore what states require mandatory pay equity audits. Companies and employees alike are affected by these audits, which aim to ensure that each employee receives fair compensation for their work, regardless of gender, race, or any other factor. Knowing which states mandate these audits can help businesses remain compliant and promote a fair working environment. Understanding pay equity audits. What is a pay equity audit? A pay equity audit is a comprehensive analysis conducted by employers to identify any pay discrepancies among their workforce. This involves scrutinizing salaries to discover if there are differences in pay for employees performing similar tasks. Audits focus on ensuring gender, racial, and other demographic equity within pay structures. They are crucial for identifying gaps and taking corrective measures. States requiring mandatory pay equity audits. California. California leads the way with its stringent pay equity regulations. The state mandates employers to regularly conduct pay equity audits to ensure compliance with the California Fair Pay Act. This act requires equal pay for employees performing substantially similar work and encourages transparency in the workplace. Massachusetts. Massachusetts is another state with aggressive pay equity laws. The Massachusetts Equal Pay Act mandates pay equity audits, emphasizing the prohibition of pay discrimination based on gender. Employers are encouraged to perform self-audits to identify salary discrepancies and rectify them proactively. Oregon. Oregon's pay equity law requires employers to ensure that employees performing comparable work receive equitable compensation. Employers in Oregon must conduct regular audits to avoid pay discrimination claims and ensure compliance with the state laws, thereby promoting pay equity. Colorado. Colorado's Equal Pay for Equal Work Act came into effect with a requirement for employers to conduct audits to eliminate pay disparities. The act fosters transparency by necessitating salary range disclosures and prohibits pay discrimination based on gender and other protected characteristics. Conducting a successful pay equity audit. Step 1. Data collection. The first step in conducting a pay equity audit involves collecting detailed data on employee compensation, including salaries, bonuses, and any other financial benefit. Make sure to categorize this data by job title, job responsibilities, gender, race, and other relevant factors. Step 2. Analysis. Next, conduct a thorough analysis of the collected data to identify any discrepancies in pay among employees with comparable roles. This step involves statistical analysis to detect patterns of pay inequality. Step 3. Implement changes. Once discrepancies are identified, employers need to implement changes to correct the pay gaps. This may include salary adjustments for affected employees and revising company policies that may inadvertently cause pay disparities. Future trends in pay equity. Ongoing legal changes. With an increasing focus on pay equity, more states may introduce mandatory pay equity audits. Keeping abreast of legal changes ensures compliance and fair employee compensation practices. Technological advancement. Utilizing advanced technology can streamline pay equity audits, making them more efficient and accurate. Automated solutions can assist in data collection and analysis, ensuring a comprehensive overview of compensation practice. In summary, understanding what states require mandatory pay equity audits is crucial for businesses committed to fairness and compliance. By following the procedures outlined in California, Massachusetts, Oregon, and Colorado, employers can ensure equitable compensation for all employees. Regular audits not only help in compliance, but also contribute to a more equitable and inclusive workplace. Stay informed about legislative changes and leverage technology to maintain pay equity. Prioritizing fair compensation isn't just good practice, it's the law.